Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Manyu meme coin and how you can go ahead and buy it. At the time of making this video, Manyu is sitting around 37 million US dollar market cap, and if we talk about the overall circulating supply, it's 100% of the overall total supply, which is a good thing. Now if you check the returns of Manyu in the past 7 days, it's up by more than 20x, and this meme coin is officially partnered with Shiba Inu team, as you can see on their website. So there is a lot of hype with regards to this meme coin, and this could potentially go more than 1 billion market cap. You may never know. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now if you want to go ahead and buy Manyu, you can buy it on Mexi Global. And if you don't have an account on Mexi Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fees. Now I will be showing you how you can go ahead and buy Manyu on Mexi Global from my mobile phone. So currently I am on my Mexi Global mobile app, and all you have to do is you will need to click on the trade at the bottom and click over here and search for Manyu. And search for this pair Manyu to USDT. Now if you want to go ahead and buy this meme coin, you will need to have USDT on your Mexi Global account. So simply you can transfer it from other centralized exchanges, or you can buy it directly from Mexi Global if your country allows it. Now there are two types of order. One is a limit order and one is a market order. Limit meaning, let's say the current price is this and you feel like the price of this Manyu meme coin is going to fall, and if you want to purchase it at a lower price, so simply click over here and put a custom amount. So let's say if you want to buy it at 0.00000002, so simply put over here and put in the amount of USDT. So what will happen is this order will show in open order, and as soon as the price of this Manyu falls down to this level, your order would be executed and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Mexi Global spot account. If not, then if you want to go ahead and buy it at the current market price, simply click over here and select market and just put in the amount of USDT that you want to invest and click on buy Manyu. Within 5 seconds, Manyu would be reflected in your Mexi Global spot account. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Manyu on Mexi Global. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.